Ever wished you could carry your crypto securely, make payments, and even unlock your devices with just a flick of your hand? What if I told you there's a sleek, wearable device that promises to do all that and more? Forget clunky hardware wallets or fumbling for your phone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the tangem ring. So, what exactly is a tangem ring? At its core, it's a revolutionary piece of wearable tech that combines the convenience of a ring with the robust security of a hardware wallet. Think of it as your personal, always-on, cold storage solution for digital assets, wrapped around your finger. But it's more than just a crypto wallet. It's designed to be a versatile tool for your digital life. The magic behind the tangem ring lies in its NFC, near-field communication, chip. This tiny, powerful chip securely stores your cryptographic keys, allowing you to interact with your digital assets and perform various functions by simply tapping your ring against an NFC-enabled device, whether that's your smartphone, a point-of-sale terminal, or even a smart lock. Let's break down its primary functions. Firstly, and perhaps most excitingly for many of you, it's a crypto hardware wallet. Unlike software wallets that are constantly connected to the internet, the tangem ring keeps your private keys offline, making them virtually impervious to online hacks. When you want to make a transaction, you simply tap your ring to your phone, authenticate with your fingerprint or PIN on the tangem app, and the transaction is signed securely on the ring itself. This tap-to-sign functionality is incredibly intuitive and significantly enhances security. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to manage your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins with ease. Beyond crypto, the tangem ring is designed for broader utility. Imagine using your ring to make contactless payments at your favorite coffee shop, just like you would with a bank card. Or perhaps unlocking your smart home door with a simple gesture. The possibilities extend to digital identity verification, secure login to online services, and even acting as a personal authenticator for various applications. It's about bringing the power of secure digital interaction to the most natural interface, your hand. The design of the tangem ring is as impressive as its functionality. Crafted from durable and stylish materials, it's built to withstand daily wear and tear. It's water-resistant, scratch-resistant, and designed to be comfortable for all-day use. This isn't just a gadget, it's a piece of jewelry that seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle, offering both aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. In an increasingly digital world, the need for secure and convenient ways to manage our digital lives is paramount. The tangem ring offers a compelling solution, bridging the gap between traditional hardware security and the growing demand for frictionless digital interactions. It's a glimpse into the future of wearable tech, where security, convenience, and style converge right on your finger. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.